In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch Novo XT or Novo XT2 side panel. First, we'll use a 6mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel. Then we'll lift up on the front of the side panel and push it slightly forward in order to detach it from the chair, just enough to expose the air hoses. And we can disconnect those air hoses. Okay, to install the new side panel then, we can lift it up and hold it in position close enough to the chair to reinstall the air hoses, being sure to connect the same numbered hose to the same numbered fitting. Okay, then we can align that horseshoe bracket on the rear of the side panel with the post in that same location. And slide that bracket onto the post and rest the horizontal metal bracket on the side panel on the corresponding bracket on the chair. Once we can feel that everything is solidly attached there, we can go ahead and replace that 6mm Allen bolt to secure the front of the side panel. And you may need to jostle the side panel around just slightly in order to align those screw holes. And we're done.